A 4-year-old girl from Somalia was kept from getting on an airplane bound for Minnesota in Uganda today because of President Trump's refugee plan.
Samira Dahir has not seen her daughter since she was just a few months old.
She's not coming anymore, and I'm not seeing my daughter. That's so sad. I feel bad.
Dahir was approved to come to the United States 4 years ago with her 2 older daughters. Right after that approval, she gave birth to Mushkad and had to make the difficult decision to leave her behind. Dahir and her 2 older daughters came to Minnesota and have been working to get Mushkad with them for the last 4 years. She was supposed to arrive on a plane tomorrow, but as Esme Murphy shows us, President Trump's recent executive order stopped her from getting on that flight.
When I left my daughter, she's so young. I applied the visa. I'm waiting for her 4 years. And when everything's done, immediately it's changed.
Samira Dahir got the call from Uganda early this morning.
I will tell you bad news. Your daughter Mushkad, she's not flying anymore today. I'm sorry. I say anymore?
Samira says she cannot believe the family reunion she worked for 4 years for has been called off the day before it was supposed to happen.
I feel bad. Unbelievable, you know. She's not coming anymore, and I'm not seeing my daughter. That's so sad.
Did you talk to Mushkad?
Yes.
What was that like? Samira broke down and was unable to share the conversation she had with the child who had just been kept off the plane. Lutheran social service worker Falastin Hassan shared the story with us. The little girl, through sobs, told her mother she'd gotten her hair done and wanted to show it to her.
She was like emotional, and she said that she was crying on the other side of the phone.
Samira says her 2 other daughters, ages 7 and 8, seen here at a Sunday news conference with Senators Al Franken and Amy Klobuchar, had prepared a bedroom and gifts for their sister and are devastated.
When my 2 daughters, they see him, they gifted, they cry.
The family is asking for the public support.
I need more people to help me, to come my daughter, to support me.
And she made a personal appeal to the president.
I say, Mr. Trump, please change your decision, because you have the one is a power. Me, I don't have any power. Please, Trump, change your decision. I need my daughter as soon as possible.
Now, both Senators Al Franken and Amy Klobuchar are working on this case. Senator Al Franken actually just issued a statement saying that he is trying to work with the Customs and Border Patrol, but they're giving actually contradictory information about this. Lutheran Social Services has also been tirelessly working to try and get this 4-year-old here. Again, she was supposed to come tomorrow, but then this order came. And right now, Amelia, it's really not clear what's going to happen to this child.
Oh, boy. And I want just to clarify for people that Uganda, where this child is from, is not one of the countries that's banned, right, on the list of being banned.
This child is a Somali child who was born after her mother got the authority to come over with the other 2 kids, and she's Somali, but she's in Uganda, and because she's Somali, that's why she was kept off that plane headed to Minnesota.
All right. Thank you, Esme.